Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Catherine Calibara, 46 of age, married. I'm, I have three siblings, one brother and two sisters, and I am the second eldest. I'm graduated a 2 years course in computer secretary. I live in Barangay Tubugsuba, Haro, Iloilo City, Philippines. For the past 7 years, I work as a domestic helper in three countries, gaining extensive experience in household management and childcare. My experience including 3 years in Kuwait, working for the family of seven, 2 years in Malaysia, working for the family of five, 2 years in Brunei, working for the family of two. My responsibility has consistently including cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, childcare, pet care, gardening, and washing a car. While my previous employer in Kuwait, they ordered the food from the restaurant, I assisted with meal preparation, including ingredients preparation. I know how to cook and I'm willing to expand my culinary skills, particularly Chinese food. I'm a trustworthy, industrious, and obedient. I'm a confident to my ability to take care of your children and pets as well. I'm available to start immediately and I'm committed to completely my 2 years contract and extending my service as long as needed. I'm excited about my responsibility to serving your family and I do my best. Thank you.